We are driving to Aldeburgh today to try some of the best fish and chips in the UK. So we'll tell you if we think it. I'm with my whole family. My mum, my brother, my dad and my grandma are in the front. And we'll see you when we get there. Sam's feeling hangry.
It's not good.
I'm always hangry.
It smells delicious.
It smells so good. We're flipping hungry and excited. Oh yeah, chips.
We have the best fish and chips in the UK.
We're so pumped. It's hot. Right, let's try. I'm so pumped. We bought everything in the whole shop, didn't we? Okay, let's have a look. Chips. Everybody?
I'm going for them.
I'm gonna go in too then.
Got some chips, mum.
We got some scampi.
What's that? Cod.
Yum. What is scampi?
Scampi is basically sort of mushed up langoustine.
Langoustine.
Yeah.
What's a
posh.
langoustine?
Like prawns, but posh.
I'll try
Posh
one.
prawns.
Thank you. I'll just try one for now.
Yum.
Thank you.
Dad got curry sauce. Do you know, I don't think I've ever had curry sauce before.
Then you're not English.
I'm not sure about this.
It's delicious.
Can I just dunk in
That's
it?
never. And mix it with ketchup as well.
Oh, actually, that's quite yum. It's like warm. It's like soup.
Mum, we're going to start eating. You want to start eating?
Okay. It actually tastes like katsu curry.
Yeah, it's similar to that.
Oh, that's good, actually. We got
want
mushy peas. I've also never tried mushy peas before.
Mushy peas you won't like.
How do I have mushy peas?
You eat it.
Dunk a chip?
Yeah.
Dunk a chip.
Some chip in it.
Or I do like peas. I don't like that. I do not like that. It tastes like garden. That makes chips worse, not better.
It's quite
Now we
lovely.
got a battered sausage.
Just around there.
No favourite. Is it your favourite? What? It's not your favourite?
Yeah.
I like that.
Batter sausage are lovely.
That's way better than a New Zealand battered sausage. Oh my gosh, yum. Everybody's trying it.
Try it with curry sauce as well.
Oh no.
Oh, I really like that. I could eat loads of them. Okay, I'm going to try the pineapple fritter now while it's crunchy. Is that weird? Pineapple fritter. Oh, I feel like this is a New Zealand thing too. That's massive. Ready?
Good.
Pretty good.
Bit soggy, bit thick on the batter.
Oh no.
You have to try it. You have to try it.
I like that.
I feel like it needs some like salt. You like
I feel
it?
like it needs a sugar dusting.
Yeah, sugar dusting.
You want to try some
Now,
pineapple?
the piece de la résistance. Wait, how do you say that?
Yes, the resistance.
This is
Piece de la résistance.
Yes.
Pièce de la résistance. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's
Yeah.
huge.
You need a knife.
Look at this. That actually looks so good. It tastes this time.
Oh, this is the card. You're eating my haddock.
Oh my gosh, that's absolutely delicious. It's so meaty.
Have another plate then, please.
There's
The
no
vinegar
more.
and the salt is also a great addition. Dunkin' ketchup.
Sure.
Mmm.
You okay?
The batter is so crispy. Look at all these bits you get on the top. Like all the little, they're your favourite bits, hey Sam? The little battery bits.
Curry sauce
10
is
out of 10
good
for
enough.
fish.
Sauce and
Chips are a little bit soggy, but that's probably because we coated them in vinegar and walked them all the way to the beach. Very good.
about.
They're supposed to be
Combos.
soggy. That's what an English chip is.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
look
with-
what Mum's brought.
So I did not have a chip buddy.
Mum's having a fish and chip buddy. How many chips?
Not too many.
It's so good.
Butter
Delicious,
bun.
isn't it?
Nice, Mum.
Real butter, none of
It is
this
lovely
margarine
inside.
stuff. And a squirt of.
Do you want me to split it for you?
Yeah.
How much?
Keep going. Bit more.
Bit more.
Perfect. Yeah, nice. What more could you want?
See where I get from?
It's a 10 out of 5.
10 out of 5. That's a good rating.
I've literally got a food coma though. I'm about to pass out.
I would say it was 11 out of 5.
Wow.
It was amazing.
Grandma, how many points out of 5?
Oh, how many points out of 5?
Yes.
4.
4? Pretty good.
What's the next
At
one?
4.5
too much.
stars out of 5.
That's pretty good. Pretty good ratings all round.
But nobody mentioned the curry sauce, and that is obligatory, so that makes it 12 out of 5.
And what about you?
Curry sauce was the best. The curry sauce was good.
The peas though?
You must
Other
have
peas
been
weren't very good. No, they were not good.
No to the peas.
Nah.